It's too funny not to record. Do you guys mind that I want to put food in the refrigerator and I don't need you guys in there? Destiny, why don't you come out first? Come on, Oreo. You can find some other place to be private. Alright, good. Smack him. Push him out of there. Come on, get down. Come on. There's nothing in there for you. Come on, Oreo. Down. Oreo, I am going to shut the door. Ready to get out? Come on. Oreo, get that. Okay, that's one way. Now come on, Destiny. Your turn. Kitty, come on. Come on. Destiny, come on. Okay, shut the door. Come on out. Oreo! Okay. Thank you. Now, come on. Oreo. Come on. Come on. Okay, go. JD, go turn on the water in the shower.
Why?
Because I want Oreo to jump out of here.
I'll get him.
No. Just go turn the water on.
He might not come.
Yeah, he'll come. He loves the shower. There he goes. Thank you.